Nangarap maging beauty queen.
Hindi pasok sa height eh.
What's your height ba?
5'4".
Pwede ang 5'4" dati.
Hindi, nahihirapan ako pala sa question and answer.
Talaga?
Talaga,
Ikaw
kaya
pa?
pala hindi ako sumali. Yung
Oh,
pala yun.
what makes you blush?
Nahi-flash on. Ako lang natawa eh, no?
Ganda. If you have one quality that will make you win the Miss Universe Beauty Pageant, what is it and why?
I do believe that my quality is quantity.
Oh, isa na lang. Do you believe that we are responsible for the eventual demise of Mother Earth?
Nakaka-nosebleed naman yun. I do believe, ano yun, demonstralize the Mother Earth. I do believe that the mother pearl is a pearly shell that we need because in the Philippines we have pearls ng silanganan. Yeah.